This Ford presentation is brought to you in part by Canon Filters,
Budweiser,
Chevy. Chevy runs deep. Well, it sure is a good day to have some racing in the New Orleans International Speedway. The drivers are ready to drive, the sun just poked out of the clouds after a very dreary morning, and the pits are lined up to start the race. I am your host, Al Credano, and this is your co-host, Pouty Rogers.
Yup, that's me. You're right. It is a good day to start a race.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, this was the 96th anniversary of the New Orleans 500.
The New Orleans 500 has a group of 12 racers who are racing their very first race. Isn't that grand?
That it is, Pouty.
Oh, look! They're starting! They're off in 3, 2, 1... Oh!
Number 16 is in the lead, but 24 is close behind. 48 is coming up too.
Oh, look at that! The roller tape is coming!
That's an anti-crash. Is that smoke? Get down! It's gonna blow! Memorial. There were 12 faithful numbers that died in the horrific crash. The numbers were 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, and last but certainly not least, 96, the favorite number of the fans. The numbers were also factors of 96.
And his beloved multiples were 192, 288, 384, 480, 576, 672, 768, 864, 960, 1056, and his oldest relative, that's still alive, 1152. Even though he wasn't a perfect square, he was still divisible by 5, numbers that were under 10.
He stood out in many ways, but there was always something cool that would catch our attention. One way was when you calculate his multiples, you add 100 and subtract 4 from the last two digits.